Hi again. I want to do a quick video of this is regarding water leak at my kids' condominium. Basically, a couple of weeks ago, um, she lived on upstairs unit, and then her downstairs neighbor contacted her that she found water dripping, in her bathroom, which is directly below my daughter's bathroom. So the owner downstairs went ahead and contact HOA. So HOA came out, I think, in a day or two. Actually, the same day, I think. They sent out somebody, a plumber, right away, and they found out that they opened up like one by one uh, cut uh, in the downstairs unit, and they found out the leak came from my daughter's shower spout. So basically, we have basically, my daughter will be responsible for, well, she's gonna have to fix the spout with a new spout, and then also responsible for fixing the leak, which is damaged drywall, and the cost come out to be a total of $550, $100 to replace uh, the spout, which the plumber that came out off the book, he went ahead and fixed it for $100. But then we had to hire a handyman to fix the drywall. And now the thing is that this bad spout or leaky spout was done last year, I think back in October, by another company, by a plumbing company. I guess the plumber or technician did not do a good job, so we contact that company, and we're gonna file a claim. Basically, I told them that since it's your leaky spout was the source of the leak, we believe that we should file a claim for liability at your company. And the lady said just send email. She need to see the finding, the report from another plumbing company. Let me show that to you. So what I did after collecting the paperwork, the estimate cost from a handyman, and the report from plumbing company that HOA sent out. So I wrote an email to that company. Hold on a second. Let me open this. Sorry, it's the wrong one. Sorry about that. Okay. So this is gonna be, no, not that one. That's one with the receipt. Just bear with me. All right, so it's gonna be this one here. So I sent a letter to this company, email. I have attached all of the receipt here from text. Basically, my daughter paid the handyman by cash and sell, and also let me open this one. This is the handyman estimate, material labor, no handyman. And my daughter says she's gonna pay for it. And let's see what else. Yeah, this is the after the demo, the handyman removed some more drywalls on the ceiling, and then behind the shower head here. See those exposed. Yeah, that's a better picture of what's going on. Some more debris after the removal. This is before when the HOA sent out the plumber to investigate. So he opened up like one by one cut here or box here, so so he can investigate and look above. Same here. And this is the new upstairs unit. This is the new spout that the plumber replaced, and this is the old spout that was bad or failed. because the guy did not do a good job. Actually, what happened was that the pipe was a little bit long from the wall, so he couldn't fit this one all the way to flush with the with the tub wall. So he had to put like some more caulking, and I think that caused a problem. I think he mentioned a little bit that this is temporary, which is it should not be temporary, Anyway, so I'm filing claim against this company. This is when they first reported water dripping. This is 2-3 weeks ago. Anyway, let me go back if I can here. So basically, I'm writing to this company here just to follow up because they want the report. Basically the finding from this company. So I have attached the report there. I'll show you the report a little bit, and then I just gave them the breakdown, the cost, $550. We pay cash and sell to the plumber to replace the spouts here, and then the handyman gonna charge $450. So total them up is $550. So anyway, so I want the payment sent to my daughter. So I provided the name and the address and the phone number. So hopefully, they will follow up. If there's any issue, if they need anything else, they can request some more, probably like receipt or something, or or like check payment, whatever that we pay to the handyman or whatnot. Hopefully, they do make it easier. It's just only $550, and they shouldn't be risking, causing any grievance on a customer part. So hopefully that should go well. And yeah, I just emailed them in, and now hopefully everything should be okay. If not, I'm in California. What we can do is if there's any conflict or issue with customer service, we can open a claim with Better Business Bureau, in which I had a video in the past. You can search my video, and it worked pretty well within short time, maybe a week. Basically, once you file a claim, the department will contact the company, and and of course they have to find out what's going on, and a lot of time the company will contact you, try to work things out, because in the claim with the Better Business Bureau or BBB, you're gonna put in the the cost of everything in total. So if that's the case, I'll put in $550, and then the cost and what happened, all of that. So the BBB, Better Business Bureau, can investigate and talk to the other company. But hopefully it will not go that far. I think this company is good. They also did a repipe on my whole house at another property. So hopefully we'll see how it goes. So I guess that you should, if you folks know if there's any problem with plumbing or electrician or whatnot, which is not your fault, you should contact the company and then see what they can do. A lot of times they'll need some sort of report and receipts and what you pay. You don't have to wait for them. You can wait for them to come out and repair. If you can wait, because it might take a couple of days. But in this case of water damage, you want to take care of it right away. Basically, you want to have handyman remove the drywall of affected area or unit. You don't want to wait, because you might get mold. And then, of course, you can, whatever you pay, you get reimbursement, hopefully from, from the plumbing company in this case. So the owner of the unit downstairs, I guess we agree that we're gonna cover the cost, and basically we're gonna get reimbursement back from the original plumbing company that did the poor job. Hope it makes sense. And I'll give the update pretty soon. And thanks for watching, and don't be afraid to contact the company that did not do a good job, and contact BBB or Better Business Bureau if you cannot get your issue resolved, or you end up paying for the repair in which you should not. It might take some time. You might have to pay this upfront and then try to get your money back. But I think BBB is pretty good, because if the company doesn't pay you, it will be like a bad mark on their record. And when people search on BBB, they can find out, oh, this company has another claim here and all of that, you know, if people know where to look. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll see you folks on the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now, and subscribe if you like my video. Thanks for now.